Hi foodies, you're welcome back to my channel again today. I'm super excited to have you here. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today's recipe is quick, simple, and absolutely delicious. It's one of those meals you can have for breakfast, brunch, or even dinner. It's just super flexible. We're making boiled yam with tomato and egg sauce. It's classic, it's easy, and it's full of flavor. Let's get right into it. First things first, let's prep the yam. So go ahead and peel your yam, then slice it into medium rounds or cubes, or depending on your preference. Once that's done, place the yam pieces into a pot, add enough water to cover it, and sprinkle some salt. Now cover that up and place it on medium heat and allow it to cook for about 25 minutes until soft and tender. While that's cooking, let's move on to the star of the show, the tomato and egg sauce. So you'll be needing fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet, and onion, and of course some eggs, maybe about 3 or 4 depending on the quantity you're making. So chop the onions and then chop the tomatoes into small pieces. You want them to be chunky but not too big. Next, chop the pepper. So I'm using scotch bonnet, but feel free to adjust the heat to your liking and chop that finely. If you love veggies like I do, you can keep some spinach or green onions handy because we'll be adding that at the end. Now, in a saucepan on a medium heat, add some vegetable or sunflower oil. They all work well depending on your choice. And once the oil is hot, add your chopped onions and saute that for about 2 minutes until fragrant. And add a pinch of salt to help it cook faster. Now toss in your chopped tomatoes and let that fry for a few minutes and stir that continuously. Also add the pepper as well. You want the tomatoes to be softened and the juice to be released by this time so that it will create a rich base for the sauce. You can go ahead and season this with your favorite seasoning. You can use salt, your seasoning cube, or whatever choice of seasoning you have. And go on to beat the egg. Once the egg is beaten, you can season the eggs as well. Add a pepper, add salt or your choice of seasoning to it, and beat that lightly. After that, pour them gently over the tomato sauce. Here is a little tip. Don't stir immediately. Let the egg set a bit for about 1 to 2 minutes because this will give it a nice egg chunks instead of a scrambled mess. And after 2 minutes, gently stir everything together, allowing the eggs to fully cook and mix with the sauce. This is optional, but it's delicious. As I said before, if you love veggies, now you add your spinach. And go on to add some green onion at this point for a pop of color and extra nutrients. Stir and let it cook for another minute, and that's it. Your food is ready. Now the yam is ready as well. It's perfectly cooked and super soft. Drain the water out and go on to serve everything. Dish out your yam and then scoop that flavor-packed tomato and egg sauce to your sauce plate. And just look at this. The softness of the yam, the richness of the sauce. This is what comfort food feels like. It's perfect for when you want something quick and something filling and satisfying. And that's it for today's recipe. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. This is the kind of food that after eating, you just lie down and let your soul rest. Is that good? Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this, okay? Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.